All right, everyone. You may be wondering, how did we get here? What ingredients was used to prepare this street dog meat, the akwa ibom style? Keep watching because I'm going to show you the ingredients and how this was prepared. All right, everyone, don't go away and let's dive into it. So to begin with, we peel our garlic, onions, ginger, blend together, set aside. We have some chopped onions. This will be added directly without blending. We have our red chili pepper blended just alone, so we don't over add it to the what we are cooking. We have our isang, then the scent leaf. This will be used to garnish our porridge dog meat. And then we have plantain. Green plantain is always used to cook porridge dog meat. This, so keep watching. And here we have our dog meat on fire. After butchering the dog meat and giving it a thorough wash, we cook it first. That is number one step. Cook properly, just using onions, pepper, seasoning, salt to boil it. So at this point, we're checking to make sure it is properly cooked. But if it's not properly cooked, we add water and allow it to cook properly. Remember, it is dog meat. And now if you look at the size in the pot, you know we're not going to use it like this to make the porridge. So there is another step. So keep watching and let me know at the comment section if you've eaten dog meat before. What was the experience like? Those who have eaten it said it's super delicious. And dog meat is a very delicious delicacy here in Nigeria, and in fact it's a scarce delicacy and it's quite expensive. So how do you prepare it? So at this point we're adding alcohol. The reason for this is to kill any germ. Remember, it is dog meat. So after it is properly cooked, we bring down the pot, then transfer all the dog meat into a strainer and then begin to cut it into smaller size, as you can see on the screen. So while the process of cutting it into smaller size is going on, in the pots we begin to cut the green plantain into the dog stock. So the water you see on fire inside the pot is the dog meat water, the stock. So we use it to cook the green plantain until it is properly cooked, so that the the sauce from the dog will really enter the plantain properly. So keep watching, and if you've watched my video up to this point, what stop you from subscribing? Like my video, share my video to your friends and family, and let me know at the comment section if you've eaten dog before and what was the feeling, what was the experience like. If you've not eaten it before, would you like to try it? Would you like to prepare it at your comfort zone, or you would like to get it on the streets? Because this is actually one of the Nigerian street food. It is sold in restaurants for dog meat. So this is the process. We cut it into smaller size until everything is properly cooked, while some is being grilled. I didn't film the part that is grilled. I just focus on this part. I want to bring to you how to porridge the dog meat, making it super delicious. It's super yummy for street food, you know. So after cutting it into parts, into smaller parts, at this point the plantain is already cooked, so we're going to be taking it off the pot. And here the scent leaf is being properly prepped, and even the stand is properly prepped. So while the plantain is set aside in a clean pot, once it gets hot, we add the palm oil. Once the palm oil gets hot, the first thing we add is the isang, the periwinkle, and then add some seasoning and stir this to combine together. So the first step was to cook the dog meat until it is properly cooked. Second step was to cut it into smaller size. The third step here, keep watching. So after stir frying that isang, we go ahead and add our already chopped dog meat and begin to mix it to combine. Mix, stir until it is properly combined, until it blends together with the palm oil. and continue to transfer the already chopped dog meat until everything is mixed and properly combined with the palm oil, exactly what you see on the screen. Once again, if you've watched my video up to this point and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? I make videos, I post videos, I upload videos every week, every Friday on this channel. I also have some shorts YouTube videos, playlists, yummy Nigerian delicacies, and healthy drinks recipe, detours recipe, and lots more. So when you come to my channel, don't be in a hurry. Stop by and watch other delicious delicacies and how to make them. So at this point, we'll be adding some red chili pepper. Please add chili pepper according to your taste, but this yummy recipe, this yummy dog meat we are cooking require chili pepper. It has to be spicy for you to really enjoy it. At this point, we still add some palm oil because the one there is not enough, so add and continue to mix the process. Mix until it continues to look this delicious and so tantalizing. It is really delicious, you know, for those who love to eat it. Yeah, so you can see how yummy it's looking already. It is not yet cooked. Keep watching. So after mixing together, the next thing is to add our plantain and then mix it to combine. After adding the plantain, the next thing is the scent leaf, and at this point, taste for salt, taste for seasoning, taste for everything. Make sure everything is properly okay, and mix. After mixing, you allow it to cook for just 5 minutes and the dog meat is ready. So this is how we got here. Bye.